In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your past chats on Character AI. If you want to go back and find an earlier conversation you had with a character, the process is very simple once you know where to look. This can be useful if you want to continue an older roleplay, recover a useful response, or just revisit something from a previous session without starting over. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and load the Character.ai website. Give the page a moment to fully open so everything appears correctly. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into your account first, because your previous chats will only be available from the account where they were originally created. Once you're on Character.ai, find the character that you previously chatted with and click on it to open the conversation. This step is important because the chat history option is usually connected to that specific character, so you need to enter the character's chat page before you can look through older sessions. After the conversation opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see the three dots menu, sometimes shown as three small dots in a horizontal or vertical line depending on the layout. Click that menu to reveal more options related to the current chat. From the menu that appears, select History or View Past Chats. The wording may vary slightly depending on updates to the site, but it should clearly point to your previous conversation sessions. Once you click it, Character AI will show you your older chats with that character, allowing you to browse through them and open the one you want. If you have multiple past conversations, take a second to scan the list carefully so you can choose the correct session. This is especially helpful if you've talked to the same character many times. Opening the right chat lets you continue where you left off or review earlier messages without losing track of your current conversation. And that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to Character AI, select the character you've already spoken with, click the three dots menu, and choose History or View Past Chats to access your earlier sessions. It's a quick and convenient way to revisit previous conversations whenever you need them.